Guangdong Dp Technology Company Ltd, established in 2020, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of LED rechargeable torches, LED rechargeable emergency lights, LED rechargeable headlights, and LED rechargeable desk lamps. The affiliated factory is located in the Guangdong Jiaoqing high-tech area, covering an area of 230,000 square meters. It has developed rapidly over the past 20 years and has become a high-tech enterprise focusing on the application of LED lighting technology. DP has exported to clients in various countries and regions, with experience in trading with customers in more than 100 countries around the world. DP is well equipped to provide customized products, also welcome OEM orders. You can contact our sales representative for sourcing requirements.